Hello everyone. Today I Harleen Kaur is here with a video on subject maths, chapter 10 circles. Today's topic is concept of tangent, point of contact and explain why radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So let's begin with the basics of this chapter. First we need to know what is a circle. The path of all points that are equidistant from a fixed point is called a circle. We can see in the figure. This is already clear to you all, but first we need to know the definition, exact definition of the circle. So let's move to the second point. Second point is secant of a circle. A line which intersects a circle into two distinct points is called secant of a circle. We can see in the figure that there's a line named C which is intersecting the circle into two parts. We need to remember that secant does not divide the circle into two equal parts but into two different proportions. So I think it's clear to you. Let's move to the second point. Third point is tangent to a circle. Tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle at only one point. We can see in the figure that there are two tangents. First is AC and second is BC. There's only one tangent at a point of circle. We can see at point A there's only one tangent AC and at point B similarly one tangent BC. So main part of this video is theorem. Our theorem is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. We need to prove this. We are given a circle with center O and a tangent xy to the circle at a point P. We can see in the figure OP is the radius of the circle. We need to prove that OP is perpendicular to xy. Take a point Q and take a point Q on xy other than P and join OQ. We can see we have joined O with Q with a dotted line. OQ is longer than OP as Q lies outside the circle. It is clear in the figure. Since this happens for every point on the line xy except the point P. So OP is the shortest of all the distances of the point O to the point of xy. So OP is perpendicular to xy. Hence it's proved. I hope it's clear to you all. Thanks and have a nice day.